Oh, I do not want to show my pajamas.
Okay.
Hello,
Now
can we
you
start?
move? No, these are mine. Can you? Oh no, Shani, look at this. Oh, Shani, you can't come here, darling. No. No. No.
Okay, no, you can't cry. It's fine. You can't cry, Mama. It's recording. Oh my God, you're crying on the camera. You're crying on the camera. Okay, let's come. Say hi. Say hi to the camera. Come.
Say hello.
Come. Say hello. Please welcome. Welcome to Meherun's channel. Hi, guys.
Say hi.
This is Oshini. And today, this is our challenge, getting ready with this one. Okay? No, Ma. You can.
Okay, you can move now.
Yes, you can play around. And please let us pile on some makeup. Please.
Okay, you sit here. You sit. No?
No?
Okay, we'll have to start again. You better.
Okay, let's start as quickly as we can.
Same primer?
Same primer. By the way, this is the first time you're using this? No, you're using the
Second time. It was amazing.
So maybe I should start by introducing you.
I'm Noddy.
So yeah, so no, she's. So we
Well-
started together, but we are like. No, she's not my friend. She's like more than a friend. She's like family.
We're both makeup artists, but
Yeah.
because of this naughty fellow who you saw
Yes.
before,
She doesn't get to wear makeup
Yeah.
as much, so whenever I am here, she gets a little inspired. But then,
oh yeah, all my makeup advices are being given from this legendary lady.
by the way,
knows
she's
everything.
equally good, huh?
But she knows every product. She knows every single product.
Yeah, I know.
Oh wow, yeah.
Those are your brushes.
I do the most simple makeup because
Yeah.
one, I don't have time.
2, you don't need it.
No, not really.
Look
But-
at my skin; it's like playing havoc on me right now.
But if I had time, I
But then
would.
on an everyday, I do not even wear makeup. Like, I'm really happy to go out like this. I think I want to wear the CC cream.
Can you not pull everything?
No, 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 no,
Okay,
no,
okay.
no, no.
Can you guys see her? No, she's there. You can't see her.
It's good not to see her. Trying to hide more things from her.
What? She got something. Mama, we are not going that side. That's a no-go zone.
Yes.
Good girl.
Hmm.
Oh.
So do I have?
Did I cry?
Huh?
I
Yeah,
did.
yeah.
Something was missing. I missed one step. What was that? I couldn't remember. Oh, wow.
So you show the products?
I will. Yeah, we do. Actually, I forgot to show this. So I am using this. Are you even focusing?
No, it's too bright.
It's too bright. It's alright. I'll list the products, whatever we are using.
And I'm using Makeup Forever foundation. It's a bit dry, but
What you wanted to use the something hydrating, right? Underneath.
yeah.
Maybe you should try this. Try this. This is the CC cream. You can mix. You apply it first as
Okay.
a primer, so
Okay.
it's a bit glowy. Just shake it first,
Okay.
and then apply it. So it should add some sort of like hydration.
Those are the things no nos.
Oh.
No, no. No liners, no lip liners, no eyeliners.
So yeah, this CC cream. It's really good. It's like evens out. It covers well. It's like good medium coverage. And the best part is it's so long wearing.
Ah.
It stays on. So whenever I'm traveling, this is what I wear.
That's why you always look so good. So when
Yeah.
she comes from the airport, she looks fabulous. And
That's
it's
because
like,
I'm taking pictures all the time. So I had to when I'm
so
not
you
taking
can't take your
pictures.
eyes off her. Seriously. Like being a woman, I can't take my eyes off her.
Guys, these people, they're obsessed with me. Listen
Yeah.
to them.
Well, you should. Yeah, so I'll use the foundation on top of it.
Yeah.
I use.
Do you like the primer?
Yeah, it looks.
It's
See, she tempts me to buy products. She
come on,
always
this is
tempts
my
me.
job. Like, should I not recommend you the best of
Oh,
best
definitely.
products, right?
Yeah, like my beauty consultant always. Yeah. So as per her advice, primer is the
Key.
key.
Yes.
After that, you can use like the most lightest
I know, yeah.
foundation.
Because I think the skin, the base is the main thing.
Yeah.
So if the base looks flawless,
Yeah.
no matter like whatever you're doing on top of it,
Yeah.
it will be fine. Because the base is the main thing. So that is where I spend the majority of the time.
And guys, I'm really lazy, like in most of the things, especially on makeup. So I try to find the quickest.
And I try to like inspire her, like,
Yeah.
oh, do this, curl your lashes, put at least 3 coats
Yeah.
of mascara.
So in all the advice she gives me, I take the more shortcut method. Yeah. Okay, you can have it. So I use the eye primer, Urban Decay.
Do you want to use some concealer today for a change?
Well, yeah, okay.
Underneath, yeah. This is a really good concealer.
Okay.
What is on my hand? Everywhere. So it's like, it's really full coverage, but then it blends in so well. It brightens also.
So my beauty blender is for eyes, fingers. I think I've not washed my brushes, that's why.
Did I wash my brushes? No.
Oh guys, if you have kids, just pray for like non-naughty kids.
Kids are kids. So what we were doing was, I was setting my face.
Yeah. And I don't contour my face a lot, so I use a bronzer for my jawline. No, cheekbones.
But somehow I really like really good bronzed up cheekbones. Yes, Mama. Yes, you're back here.
So I'll be doing slight contour.
So this is I'm using Hoola. Like for every day, I'll just use the Hourglass bronzer, which is like a glowy bronzer. That's the thing. Most days when I think like, okay, today I'm going to do like a full face of makeup, and I sit down to do it, and then I'll be like, nah, I don't want to do anything. And then there are days when I have no time to get ready. Like, no, I have this new eyeshadow palette. I want to use this. I bought that new mascara. I want to use it. That's like, it shows up really nice on you.
Yeah, it's lovely.
But it doesn't show up at all on me.
So this I got from her. So I do use a lot of products.
Yeah. Hello, because we are makeup artists, so we know about it.
Yeah, and try to use a lot of what do you call drugstore?
Yeah, drugstore products are like,
and they're really good.
They're really good.
So the bronzer that I used before was Kiko.
Yeah, I have never used Kiko products as much. I think
not everything is good, but some
are. But some of them are.
Yeah, worth trying. And especially this. I think I took it. Yeah, the Kiko eyeliner.
Is it?
It's a soft tip, but it doesn't smudge.
Oh.
So when you draw it, it's a mission to sharpen it because you can't sharpen it too long. Breaks up.
Okay.
But when you use it,
so it's like smudge proof.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. So
what do next?
For a change, do you want to add some highlight?
Yeah, I'll do that at the end.
Okay.
I'm moving on to eyes right now.
Okay.
And she wanted me to
use this eyeshadow palette. Yes, please. So, I love this.
This is her new palette.
I really like this palette.
It's beautiful. It's gorgeous.
It's gorgeous.
I want this. I want this. No. Please.
Okay. Let her be.
But there's nothing in it. I hope she doesn't draw my sofa. I have to keep an eye on her. You guys keep an eye on her, please.
Please.
And shout if she just draws over there.
Babu, come here.
I hope she doesn't know. She found a good side.
Okay, what was I supposed to do next? Oh, I wanted to add some contour. Oh, this is the contour powder I was talking about, the Kevin O'Con one.
She's got all fancy stuff.
So this one is, this is so grey, so I just used it underneath here. Wait, I'll show you. With a brush like this, just here. Just here, so it just adds that depth.
Yeah, depth to it.
Yeah. So it's. See? So just blending with the bronzer brush.
Yeah. So my eyes have a very weird shape. So there's a massive gap.
Beautiful.
There's a big gap between the eyebrow and the eyelashes. So I need to make a fake crease because I don't have a natural crease.
Just to add a little bit of depth there.
Yeah, so I have to draw a line. Let's make a fake crease.
So what I do is, because my eyes are also like, I've got a lot of lid space, but then they're puffy.
Yeah.
So what I do is whatever bronzer or whatever I'm doing, then I just put it randomly here. So it adds a little bit of depth.
That's true.
And then I'm like, oh, okay. Yeah. When I'm not doing any like eyeshadow and things like that, this is what I do.
Obviously, before we went to makeup school, we knew about makeup,
we didn't know all the like
the technicality
and all those. Okay. Oh, you're wearing black today. I didn't even see we match.
Makeup artist color, black.
Like.
She took my primer disc.
Mama.
And I let her bring it back.
Oh no, she. No. Yes. What is no? She.
I didn't even say anything, Ashimi.
And now that she has almost done her eyes,
my makeup
have just finished my brows, guys. I wanted to show you this too, which is my like go-to when I'm in a rush. These are the Bitery eyeshadow sticks.
Oh wow, yeah.
So these are so quick and convenient. So I just draw them like this and blend it in with my fingers.
Yeah.
So it just adds some depth.
She's using fingers.
Yeah, I am using my fingers. So this is my everyday, like easy, quick when I don't have time. Yeah. This is what I do.
So I'm moving on to
moving on to.
I should move on to mascara using a Max Factor.
Oh, I used to use Max Factor before all the time.
So yeah, I think Max Factor and Maybelline. Maybelline is the best.
Yeah, Maybelline is the best. And L'Oreal also, a few.
Yeah. I forgot to put the eyeliner. Thank God.
I am just using...
To put the eyeliner, I hug the mirror.
Yeah.
Like literally
get into.
Yeah. Because I cannot see. Because of my eye shape, I always put a wing. Small or big, it's always a wing for me.
Oh yeah. But wings makes your eyes look like elongated, isn't it?
Yeah. Because my eyes are big.
Right.
But they're short.
Right.
They don't... So I need
to... They're big, but they're more rounded.
Yeah, so
they're not... Yeah, it's like almond shape.
Yeah, exactly.
So
it ends soon.
Correct. So if you want to just lift it up, just to put a little bit there. Really? She's using... Mama! You cannot fail at the challenge. You have to keep your calm and go on.
Okay, I'm gonna finish off quickly.
The weird faces we make while we apply mascara. I always get to see this when I'm like, okay. I am adding a little small wing in the corner of my eyes. But during the day, I prefer to add like a brown liner.
Right, yeah.
So it's like...
I'm using the blusher slightly.
Oh,
it became dark. That became dark.
That's okay. Use the beauty blender. No?
Bit on chin, bit between the eyebrows.
Let's do lips quickly.
Yep.
Your father will never allow me to come back again.
Look at this palette.
At least it's not broken. You don't use a lip liner? Which one are you using?
This is NYX.
Oh, yeah, NYX lip pencil is really good. But this is what that I recently got. It's from MAC. It's called In Control. This is really nude. nice pink shade.
Okay, since she is doing nude, I'll do a bit of a glossy.
Okay.
Yes. So this will be the base color.
Yeah. So I always like to fill in my lips first with this kind of colors.
Yeah.
So that it elongates the longevity.
Mm-hmm.
Elongates the longevity? Like things that it says.
This is an Estee Lauder shimmery pink.
It looks nice.
So, final touch. Final touch.
No, final touch is setting your face.
Oh yeah, no, I've not done my eyebrows either.
Oh. Okay, I'm applying this Maybelline matte ink. See the color?
Oh wow.
It's really nice.
It looks really nice. So that's like my, because I love coral colors.
Yeah.
Nude,
I don't know. I
coral.
mean, it depends on my mood, I guess.
Exactly.
How am I feeling
Same.
like that day? So
Same. But my favorite colors are nudes and corals. But I do apply reds and every other color.
No, I have seen. I have seen.
Yeah. But yeah, it depends on the mood, as she said.
Yeah.
Eyebrows.
True to myself, I want to mix in something with it.
Find my eyeshadow.
Oh no!
That's not what happened. Oh no! Does it usually happen? What do you do?
Is that wet? The tissue was wet. Actually, just look at her expression. Like,
What happened?
what happened?
What happened to Auntie May? Yeah, you're ruining it. I think your father shouldn't come home tonight.
Yeah, he's gonna throw me out of the house and he'll never let me in. Because of you, all this has happened. Pradeep, please don't watch this video.
Yep.
Okay.
And
finally, we have managed to do this, guys. We have.
with this
With this.
little
Wait,
thing.
let me zoom you guys in so that you guys can see our makeup.
So if I close my eyes.
Yeah. It looks really nice.
See, when I open my eyes, my makeup doesn't show.
But that's the thing. Like,
Yeah,
we don't
it's
always
like-
look
That's true.
up. We look down. We look this there. So it looks really nice.
My hair is messy, so it's too
That is alright. So that is the final look, you guys. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this chatty girly. Get ready with us.
Yep.
Until
the
next
little monster.
time. Yes.
Bye.